In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert video to MP4. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you have a video file, but you don't know exactly what it is. Maybe it's like an MOV file or just basically something that's not an MP4. What we're going to be using for this is something called Shutter Encoder. So what we want to do is just go over to your browser of choice. It's completely free to get, but just type in Shutter Encoder like so, and it's a converter. And all you want to do is just go ahead and download it like so. And then for me, because I'm on Windows, I just downloaded the 64-bit install version, and I don't want to do the Mac version unless you're obviously on Mac. So then once it's downloaded, all you want to do is open it up. It's then going to look something like this. And then you just want to go ahead and drag and drop whatever file you want. So let's just say I wanted to go ahead and drag something that just bugged out for me for some reason, but that doesn't usually happen. So all you want to do is open it up. And then you can also obviously download a new version if you want to, but whenever you download it, it's going to have the latest version downloaded. And then all you want to do now is drag and drop whatever video file you want into here. Let's say my instance, it's this one right here. It's the MP4 file. Then I want to choose a function. So because I want it to be an MP4 file, I see loads of different things. So I see editing codecs, but then I also see output codecs as well. So if you want to do an MP4 file, the best thing to do is just go ahead and choose H.264 or H.265, but we'll just do H.264 for this. You can choose if you want to upscale it or anything like that, or downscale. You can choose exactly what it's going to be, and it's going to be switched to an MP4 when you're ready. And once you have the destination and everything like that, all you got to do is press start function right here, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.